Hello, my friends, and welcome back to A1A2 English Listening Practice Podcast. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you are here today. In today's episode, I will talk about motivation in language learning. That means how to stay strong, how to keep going, how to enjoy the process of learning English even when it feels hard. In this podcast, I speak slowly, I use simple words, and I repeat key ideas so you can understand easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. You can practice English step by step. This is called shadowing. You listen, then repeat after me. So are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. All right, learning English is not easy, and that's okay. It's normal to feel tired. It's normal to feel slow. But you are not alone. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. You need time to listen, time to practice. You need time to understand. You need time to grow, to improve. Some days, learning feels fun. Some days it feels hard. That's part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On bad days, just keep going. Even small steps are good steps. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need to know every word. You just need to try. You just need to keep going. Slowly, gently, step by step. You are learning. You are doing something difficult. And you are doing it well. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you want to stop. But when you look back, you will see you have already come so far. You have learned new words. You have listened. You have practiced. You have improved. Even if you don't see it yet, you're not at the bottom anymore. You are climbing. You are getting stronger. So don't give up. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slow. But all learners need one thing: motivation. Motivation is not magic. It's not always loud. Sometimes it's quiet. It's the little voice that says, "Try again. Don't stop. Just do one more minute, and that's enough." If you feel tired, rest, then come back. If you feel confused, breathe, then try again. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to return, again and again. So ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe it's for your job. Maybe it's to travel. Maybe it's just because you enjoy it. Your reason is important. Your reason is strong. Your reason will help you stay motivated. Remember, every day you practice English, you are moving forward. Even if it's just 5 minutes. Even if it's just listening. Even if it's just trying, you are growing. You are becoming better. And you should be proud of yourself. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. You are learning a new language. You are opening a door to the world, and that takes courage. So stay motivated, stay patient, stay kind to yourself. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. So how to stay motivated when you feel tired? Let's be honest. Some days you feel tired. You feel busy. You feel stressed. You think, "I don't want to study today." And that's okay. It's normal to feel tired. It's normal to take breaks. Your brain needs rest too. But you can keep going, even on hard days. Here are a few ideas. Tip number 1, do just a little. You don't need to study for 1 hour. You don't need to do a big lesson. Just do one small thing. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Read one short paragraph. Repeat one sentence in your head. Even 1 minute is better than nothing. Learning English is not about doing a lot. It's about doing a little, again and again. Tip number 2, remember your reason. Why are you learning English? Is it for your job? Is it to study abroad? Is it to speak with people from around the world? Is it just for fun? On the hard days, remember your why, your reason. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it close. Your reason is your fuel. It gives you energy when you feel tired. Tip number 3, make it easy. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for silence or energy or the right mood. Make English easy to start. Put your book on your desk. Save a video on your phone. Set a timer for 10 minutes. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to start. And once you start, the rest becomes easier. Tip number 4, be kind to yourself. Don't say, I'm slow. Don't say, I'm bad at English. Don't say, I will never speak well. Instead, say this: I'm learning. I'm trying. I'm doing something difficult, and I'm doing my best. You are human. You are growing. So be kind to yourself. You deserve kindness from others and from yourself. Tip number 5, celebrate small wins. Did you listen to English today? That's a win. Did you learn one new word? That's a win. Did you try even a little? That's a win too. You don't need big results. You just need to notice the small victories, the small wins. Smile at them. Feel good about them because they matter. Okay, in this part of the episode, I will speak using slightly longer sentences than before. Still slow, still simple, but just a little longer. This will help your listening improve, step by step. So don't worry if you don't understand every word. That's okay. Just listen, relax, and try to follow the meaning. Learning English takes time, but sometimes you don't feel your progress. You study, you listen, you practice, and still you ask, am I improving? Is this working? Why is my English still not good enough? But here's the truth. You are improving. You are better today than you were yesterday, even if you don't see it yet. So how can you see your progress? How can you feel that learning is working? Let's talk about a few simple ways. Tip number 1, write things down often. If you can, keep a little English notebook. In this notebook, you can write new words you learn, sentences you like, and things you did in English today. You don't have to write a lot. Even one sentence per day is enough. For example, today I listened to a podcast. I learned the word progress. I watched a video and understood it. Later, maybe in 1 week or 1 month, you can read it again. And you will be surprised. You will say, oh, I remember when I learned this. This was so hard before, but now it feels easy. That, my friend, is real progress. Tip number 2, record your voice. You do not need a fancy microphone like mine. Just use your phone. Say 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, hello, my name is Sarah. I live in Turkey. I'm learning English because I want to study abroad. Then next week, do it again. Say the same thing. Then listen and compare the two. You will notice your pronunciation is a little better. Your voice is a little more confident. This is how you see your progress. It becomes real. It becomes something you can hear. Tip number 3. Notice small things you understand. Progress is not always big, my friends. It's not always a test score or a certificate. Sometimes it's quiet. It's the moment you understand a sentence without thinking. It's the first time you watch a video without subtitles. It's when you speak and don't translate in your head. These are small, quiet signs, but they are big victories, big wins. Tip number 4. Look back, not just forward. Sometimes we only look at what we don't know. We say, I don't understand native speakers. I can't speak fast. I still make mistakes. But try something different. Look back. Look at what you could not do 1 month ago. Now, look at what you can do today. Could you understand this podcast 2 months ago? Could you say 2 full sentences? Could you write 3 lines in English? Looking back helps you understand you are growing. You are not stuck. You are moving. Sometimes progress is slow, but slow progress is still progress. Okay, in this part of the podcast, I will talk about something very important. I will talk about how to enjoy the process of learning English, even when it is slow. Even when it's difficult, even when you make mistakes. The sentences in this section will continue to be a little longer than before. Still easy, still simple, but this will help your listening get stronger. All right, learning is a journey, not a race. You do not need to finish first. You do not need to be faster than others. Learning a language is a journey, like a long walk. You go step by step. You stop and rest. Sometimes you go fast. Sometimes you go slow. And that is okay. You do not need to rush. You just need to continue. Remember, there is joy in learning. There is joy in small wins, in small victories. Like when you understand 1 sentence in a movie. Like when you speak to someone, even for 10 seconds in English. Like when you remember a word you learned last week. These are small, but they feel good. You don't need a test to tell you you're doing well. You can feel it in your own heart. Now, many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They say, I do not want to speak because I might say it wrong. Or, I feel nervous because my grammar is not perfect. But listen carefully, my friend. Mistakes are part of learning. In fact, mistakes are how you grow. When a baby learns to walk, it falls many times. But nobody says, don't try. We smile and say, try again. And that is how the baby learns to walk. You are doing the same, just with English. You are walking. You are trying. You are learning. So if you say the wrong word, it is okay. If you forget something, it is okay. If someone corrects you, it is totally okay. That means you are learning. No one speaks perfectly all the time. Even native speakers make mistakes. So, please do not be afraid. Speak anyway. Write anyway. Practice anyway. You just need to be brave. You do not always need to study in a serious way. You can make learning fun. You can listen to music in English. You can watch short videos. You can speak to yourself in the mirror. You can read something interesting, not just textbooks. Learning can be a part of your daily life. It can feel like play, not pressure. When you enjoy learning, you learn more. When you smile while studying, your brain remembers better. So find what you love and do it in English. All right, in this part of the episode, I want to talk to you about something important: your future. I want to show you how learning English, even slowly, even in small steps, can open new doors in your life. English is not just a subject. It's not just a class you take. It's a tool. It is a key. It is something you can use in real life, everywhere. When you learn English, you can talk to people from different countries. You can make new friends online. You can understand movies, books, music, and news in English. You can join conversations, not just listen from the side. You can be part of the global world. Think about it. More than 1.5 billion people speak English today. That means when you speak English, you are never truly alone. No matter where you live, Brazil, Vietnam, Iran, Spain, Iraq, Ukraine, Japan, Indonesia, Thailand. English can connect you to the world. It gives you a way to understand people and a way to be understood. That, my friend, is powerful. English gives you more choices. Maybe you want to get a better job. Maybe you want to study in another country. Maybe you want to travel or work abroad. English makes those dreams easier. When you speak English, you can apply for international jobs. You can understand what is happening in the world, not just your own city. Even in your own country, English helps. More and more companies look for people who can speak English. More websites, tools, and machines use English. So when you learn English, you are learning something useful, something practical, something that gives you more freedom and opportunity. All right, you have made it to the end of this episode. You listened with your heart. You gave your time and your energy to something important, yourself. Today, I talked about motivation. I talked about how learning English takes time. I talked about how to keep going. And finally, I talked about how English can change your life. And now, I want to tell you this. I am proud of you. You are doing something difficult. You are building a skill that can change your future. It does not matter if you speak slowly. It does not matter if you make mistakes. It doesn't matter if you feel nervous or shy. What matters is this: you are trying. You are growing. You are showing up. I'm Emma, and this is A1A2 English Listening Practice Podcast. Thank you for showing up, and thank you for being part of this journey. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now. Thank you.